Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to build a full course on Thinkific. So let's get started. First, you need to create your own account from Get Started for free. However, I'm going to just log in into my account so as not to waste time for this tutorial. And here I will insert my password, then sign in. So I will verify my account and come back to you in a second. And here is your dashboard and how it will look like after you sign in. So basically, before starting to edit anything in our course, we will just start by making sure that everything in our settings is set correctly. So let's go to settings. And here you've got the top menu, which you will perform edits for. So basically, first of all, you have site. Here you have your site details, so you can write the site name, for example. You can change it to whatever you want. You can also edit your site emails, your site URL, your SSL certificate, and you can remove Thinkific branding. And I think this one is for premium subscriptions only. Next, you have your learning content settings. So if you want to change the primary color, for example, you can change it to any color. Let's say, for example, to yellow. And we can save it for this, sorry. Yellow here. Okay. I will just choose this again. And done. Okay, you have to press on choose first. Sorry, it's my fault. And here you can also choose the font from here. So you can change it to whatever you want. You can also choose the theme, whether it's light or dark. You can upload a logo for the course. Let's upload a quick logo now from our device. And upload. You can also edit your social sharing here. And you can edit the language in which you intend to make the course. And here you can modify the text of the learning content. So basically, there are some preset messages or texts that the student will see whenever he accesses the elements of the course. Like go to dashboard, for example, competition and continue. Like if for example, this student couldn't pass his exam, it will show you, oops, this will appear in front of him, so you can press on customize and change it to any other text that you want. Next, you can edit your payment details, like your PayPal or Stripe information, so that you can receive payments from students. Next is orders and accounts. Here you can edit your social media accounts. You can collaborate with other platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn. You can also adjust your terms and conditions. And you can apply if there is a coupon so that your students may get discounts. Here you can also insert any codes. If you can do some encoding, you can do it here. And finally, you have the roadmap. So this is basically how you can control your own settings. So now let's get started with building our course. So you can access learning products here, and you can choose what is the type of thing that you want to build. So in this tutorial, we will be interested in building a course. So we will choose courses here. And here it will ask you to make a new course or access on one of the previously made courses by you. So here I will just make a new course and it will give me multiple options. So I can make it from scratch. I can make it pre-sale, which means that it will give you like a template that you can use to build up your own course. Here you can make a mini course, flagship course, and there are so many options that you can choose. So let's choose the pre-sale course, since it will help you more since you are a beginner. So you need something that you can start from, and it's not advisable to start from scratch. So let's choose this, and let's name our course English tutorial, for example, and or let's make it oil and gas tutorial, since I am specialized in the oil and gas industry, so I have some images that we can upload. And now let's get started with building our course. So first of all, of course, you need to upload your own material, since this is the core of your course, plus this is what takes most of the time. So let's go to bulk importer here, and you will access to all the elements of the course. But you will ask me that we did not build any elements yet. So how there are some elements here? This is because you chose the pre-sell template. So it gives you, or it divides your course into elements. If you chose it from scratch, you will not find any of these. You will build it from scratch. But since it built for us some lessons and some chapters, we will work on this. So let's go to bulk importer. So whenever you want to upload any image or any video or any material regarding this specific chapter or this specific lesson, all what you need to do is to go to this lesson and select browse files here. Then you can go to your Google Drive, to your Dropbox. You can even add a link, but for here I will use it from my own device, and I will click on upload. Then I will just upload a random video like this, and I will press on upload, and I will leave it to upload now. So this is basically how you can upload your own material, and you can do the same for all of the rest here. So for each chapter here, you can browse files, and you can upload your own element. You can also add chapter from here and upload the videos you seek. Now after uploading your material, of course, you will need to adjust how they look like, how they are distributed, and how they are divided into chapters and lessons. This is done by curriculum from here. And here you can access all the chapters. So basically we have instructions for this template chapter. You are on the waitlist chapter. We don't have any more chapters. So basically, let's say here I need to edit the title to chapter 1. Origin of oil and gas, for example. And you can save now, and you will find that the name has changed here. Now you can edit the lessons from here by clicking on the lesson itself. You can adjust the title. For example, you can say oil origination, for example. And you can also edit the text here. You can just click on it, and you can edit like if you are in Microsoft Word or any other similar application. So there is nothing to show here. It's pretty simple. You can just edit by clicking and writing. You can also manipulate the properties from this bar. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can make it underlined, you can manipulate the alignment. You can also add an image, add a video. So it's up to you. So if you want to add an image, for example, just press on insert image, drop image here, or click. And of course, I will choose an image from my own device, and I will leave it to upload. So this is basically straightforward. If you want to add more lessons, you can just go to add lesson here, and you can create a new lesson like this, or you can copy lesson from specific source that you want. And this is how you can organize your own lessons. So after finishing all these data, you can just go to settings here. Okay, we haven't saved, so I will just cancel, and I will save first from here. Don't forget to save, and thank God it shows you a message that prevents you from going to next pages without saving, and hence losing all your progress. Now let's move on to settings. Here you can find all the settings which are related to your course, like the course name, for example, like the URL. You can also make it private or hidden course. I will just make it public, or let's, for example, make it private to make it only accessible for our subscribers or our students who enrolled for this course. You can also delete it from here. You can edit the image. You can upload from here. I will upload the same images that I uploaded before, for example. Just give it a couple of seconds. And here I will choose my device. upload, and I will just upload this image, for example, and done. Perfect. Now you can also edit the course description from here. You can edit the theme, whether you want it to be dark or light. You can change the color. So it's up to you, like this, for example. You can change the font. You can update your logo. You can also choose the progress, whether the videos will be auto-played or the completion in percentage will be shown. You can also control your chapter completion. There are here multiple options that can help you to optimize and customize your own course the way you want. You can add footer, you can add all of these options. So let's move on to the next page, which is the trip. I will not, I forgot to save again, sorry. I will just save here. And before moving to trip, I will just look at my bulk importer to see. No, it hasn't yet been uploaded. It takes time, so let's just leave it to upload. And here I will go to my drip. Here I will find if I scheduled any of my lessons to be previewed or to be uploaded later. So I can just create my whole course, but I will not make it all available for my students at a single time. However, I am gonna just let students see the content on stages, not continuously. So basically, you can choose here that the content be released not directly after the student enroll, but after a specific time from his enrollment. So this is basically how Drip works. Moving to the next tab, which is pricing. Here you can make it free, you can make it one-time payment, you can make it subscription, it's up to you. And finally, after finishing all these data, you can just go to publish, or you can preview it first. You can preview all the courses, or you can preview it from the perspective of the enrolled student. So if I clicked on this, I will see how my course look like from the perspective of a student, since there are no content yet because the video is somehow large, so it hasn't been uploaded yet. However, if it's uploaded, you will see the video here, and you can see here all the contents of your course. So let's just exit this. And let's investigate why our course didn't appear. So let's go to curriculum. I find it difficult to pronounce this word, curriculum. Let's go to it, and let's go to origination, for example, and here you will find the error. You have marked this as draft, which makes it unexisting from the perspective of a student. So if you clicked on this, for example, okay, and save first, then you went to the others and just clicked on the draft and saved. Now let's preview from the perspective of a student and see how it will look like. So if I pressed on this again, voila, you have unleashed your content. So basically, if you are finding a problem finding your content here in the preview, you need just to go to the lessons and uncheck the draft. And this is why preview is so important for you to see before publishing your own course. And once you are done, you can publish your course from here. Okay, save. And go to publish. And here you can publish your course as draft, so it will not be available, or this is the current status. So you can make it as a pre-order, which in which students have to pay first, then the course will be unleashed later, or it's published. So once the students have enrolled into the for the course, they will access all the material. And once you press on save, voila, here is your first course published successfully. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.